With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is, the period of simple pendulum on the surface of Earth is t. At an altitude of half of the radius of the Earth from the surface, its period will be. Let's assume this is the surface of the Earth. It is having a radius, capital R. Now at a certain height, that is equals to r by 2. We have to get the time period. Let's assume the time period at the surface of the Earth is t, and we have to get the time period, that is t dash. Now at surface of the Earth, we have the acceleration due to gravity as small g, and at this height of r by 2, we have acceleration due to gravity, let's suppose g dash. Okay, so now let's begin our solving question. So time period at the surface, that will be 2 pi. The time period, the general formula for time period is equals to 2 pi root over L over g. Okay, but now the acceleration due to gravity is gm over r square, where m is the mass of the Earth. Now g dash, that is equals to gm over r plus h whole square, that is basically gm 3 by 2 square times r square. Now if we compare, we see that this is equals to g. That means g dash is equals to g over 3 by 2 square. Okay, now t dash, what we have to find, will be equals to, for the altitude, that is r by 2, 2 pi root over L over g dash. Putting the values, we get 2 pi root over L over g times 3 by 2 whole square. Now t dash will be equals to 3 by 2 times 2 pi root over L over g. That is nothing but 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 3 pi times root over L over g. Sorry. Now if we see carefully, we see that this expression is equal to t. So t dash will be equals to 3 by 2 times t. Okay, so this will be our answer. T dash is equals to 3 by 2 times t. That is option 2. This is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.